This is a video on converting from interval notation to center and error notation. Question states, 95% confidence interval for the difference in years it takes low-income and high-income students to complete their degree is 0.67 to 0.81. Write this in the form A plus or minus B. The way we read A plus or minus B is that A is the center or the midpoint of the interval, and B is how far you have to go from the center or the midpoint to get to either edge. So let's first find the midpoint of this interval. Midpoint is just the average, which means we add the two numbers and we divide by 2. So the midpoint is 0.81 plus 0.67, all divided by 2. I could do that by hand or use a computer or a calculator. However I do it, I should get 0.74. So now I found A, midpoint. Next, I need to find B, which is the difference from the midpoint of these two numbers to the edge. Find the distance between two numbers. Just subtract the numbers. So let's find the distance, often called the error for a confidence interval. That error is 0.81, which is the far right, 0.74, that's the midpoint. And that will give us the distance between midpoint and the edge. And do that by hand. I can use a calculator or a computer. What I got is 0.07. And that's my B. Now that we have A and B, I can write down the answer. And I can say that A plus or minus B is equal to 0.74 plus or minus 0.07. And I'm done with the problem. Thank you for watching this video.